Good afternoon and welcome, family and friends, to Tom and Lindsey's wedding celebration here on the shores of slightly windy, beautiful Lake Tahoe. A wedding is such a wonderful occasion filled with hopes, dreams, and excitement. Tom and Lindsey are delighted that you are here to share in their joy during this wonderful moment in their lives. Please be seated. And who presents this beautiful bride's hand in marriage to this gentleman?
I do.
Thank you, sir. How about a little kiss on the cheek for our bride? How about a handshake for our groom? Thank you, sir. Okay. Come on in right here. Move in a little bit closer. Reach out with that left hand. You two ready for this?
Oh, left hand.
Yep. Hang on. We're good. We're good. All right, let's get you two married, okay? Within this blessed union of souls, where two hearts intertwine to become one, there lies a promise. Perfectly born, divinely created, and intimately shared, it is the place where the hope and majesty of beginnings reside, where all things are made possible by the astounding love shared by two spirits. As you hold each other's hands in this promise and eagerly look into the future in each other's eyes, may your unconditional love and devotion take you to places where you both only dreamed. Will you dwell for a lifetime of happiness, sheltered in the warmth of each other's arms? Once again, welcome everyone. What a beautiful afternoon we have up at the lake for a wedding celebration. And wow, does our couple look great together. And a warm welcome to Tom and Lindsey. Look where your love has brought you. How long have we been together? Okay.
6 years.
6 years.
And who made the first move? Good job. Okay. Well, Tom and Lindsey, marriage is a commitment to life. It is the best that two people can find and bring out in each other. Within the circle of its love, marriage encompasses all of life's most important relationships. From this day forward, you must be each other's best friend, lover, teacher, confidant, and critic. But remember that love allows you to stand apart, to seek your own separate but very equal destinies. Today, as the two of you set out in this world to make a difference in it, cherish the fact that you will have a partner by your side to challenge and encourage the promises that you make to each other. Well, at this time, I'd like to invite Keith up here to share a French love song with everyone.
Le ciel bleu sur nous peut s'effondrer et la terre peut bien s'écouler. Peu m'importe si tu m'aimes, je m'en fous du monde entier. Inondera mes matins, tant que mon corps frémira sous tes mains. Dans le ciel, plus des problèmes, mon amour, puisque tu m'aimes. J'irai jusqu'au bout du monde, j'irai faire atteindre en or si tu me le demandais. J'irai décrocher la lune, j'irai voler la fortune si tu me le demandais. ma fortune. On peut bien rire de moi, je ferai n'importe quoi, je ferai n'importe quoi, si tu me demandes. La vie t'arrache à moi. Si tu meurs, que tout soit loin de moi. Dans le ciel, plus de problèmes. Car moi je mourrai aussi. Nous aurons pour nous l'éternité dans le bleu de tout l'immensité. Dans le ciel, plus les problèmes. Mon amour, quoi te concerne? Dieu réunit ceux qui
Thank you, Keith. That was beautifully done. Tom, Lindsey, take a good long moment to look around and see all these smiling faces here, sharing in your special and joyous day, while I speak of some of the things I know everyone here would wish for you. First of all, we wish for love that will simply make you both better people. One that will give you a joy and zest for living and will provide you the energy to fulfill life's daily commitments. And we wish for you a home, not just a place of stone and wood, but a place of shelter and serenity in this hectic world. And may this not only be a place of private retreat, but a place where love is shared with family and friends. And finally, we wish as time goes by and you look back on your years together, you say to each other, because you have loved me, I found faith in myself. Because you saw good in me, I found good in humanity. Well, as you two already joined both hands, I see you're eager to get to the next part here. Well, now's the time to make your commitments known to each other and all present. And Tom, we're going to begin with you here first. Continue holding hands, okay? Don't let go, okay? Do you, Tom, take Lindsey, whose hands you hold to be your lawful wife, to love, honor, comfort, and cherish from this day forward?
I do.
Good answer. Do you, Lindsey, take Tom, whose hands you hold to be your lawful husband, to love, honor, comfort, and cherish from this day forward?
I do.
Wonderful. Having this kind of love for each other, you have chosen to exchange rings. May I have those rings, please? Is Sebastian coming up or no?
No.
Oh, okay.
He's not paying attention.
Is a symbol of the unbroken circle of love. Love freely given has no beginning and no end, no giver and no receiver, for each is the giver and each is the receiver. May these rings always remind you of the vows you have taken here today. Again, starting with you, Tom, please take Lindsey's ring, and while placing it on the third finger of her left hand, and looking lovingly into her eyes, repeat these words after me. I take you to be my best friend,
I take you to be my best friend,
my faithful partner, my one true love.
my faithful partner, my one true love.
I promise to encourage you and inspire you,
I promise to encourage you and inspire you,
and to love you truly
and to love you truly
through good times and bad.
through good times and bad.
I will forever be there to laugh with you,
I will forever be there to laugh with you,
to lift you up when you are down,
to lift you up when you are down,
and to love you unconditionally
and to love you unconditionally
through all of our adventures in life together.
through all of our adventures in life together.
Lindsey, your turn. Please take Tom's ring while placing it on the third finger of his left hand and looking lovingly into his eyes. Repeat these words after me. I take you to be my best friend,
I take you to be my best friend,
my faithful partner, my one true love.
my faithful partner, my one true love.
I promise to encourage you and inspire you,
Promise to encourage you and inspire you,
and to love you truly
and to love you truly
through good times and bad.
through good times and bad.
I will forever be there to laugh with you,
I will forever be there to laugh with you,
to lift you up when you are down,
to lift you up when you are down,
and to love you unconditionally
and to love you unconditionally
through all of our adventures in life together.
through all of our adventures in life together.
Wonderful. Well done. Continue holding hands. Tom, Lindsey, through your marriage and through your love, may you give the gifts of tenderness, comfort, joy, and peace to each other to nurture you throughout the years. Don't go away. Tom and Lindsey have asked me to thank the guests for being here to celebrate this special day with them. It means so much to them to have you all here together, especially those who may have traveled a great distance. And they would like to thank the parents and family for their love and support. Okay. The Washoe Indians say those who come to the lake in the sky shall be blessed. As you have chosen beautiful Lake Tahoe to be married, I think it is appropriate to recite a ceremonial wedding blessing of the Native Americans who inhabit this region. Now you'll feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter for the other. Now you'll feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth for the other. Now there is no loneliness for you. You are two bodies, but there is only one life before you. Go now to your dwelling place to enter into your days of togetherness, and may your days be good and long on this earth. And now, by the powers vested in me by the state of Nevada, here on the shores of beautiful Lake Tahoe, I proudly pronounce you husband and wife. And Tom, we're not going to make you wait any longer. You may kiss your beautiful bride. You guys are flowers? You got it? Lindsey, grab your flowers there. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Tom and Lindsey Lehman.
I'm sorry. This is good.
We did it!
We did it.